Like you're the one that got stabbed in the back.
Because I am the one, Morty. You wanna know why I replaced myself in the beginning of that stupid Knights of the Sun thing? I said don't take the fucking sword. And you were like, whatever. Like I'm our neighbor Gene or David Arquette or something. You called me boring. I've become dog shit to you. That's what happens when you let people in and they stop respecting you. They touch your shit, they screw things up, they kill your fucking family. Go ahead, trust them. You're gonna learn the same fucking thing.
Alright.